Welcome. If you want to record slow motions in your iPhone 12 mini, at the first you have to go for the camera. Then we have to be right here in the slow mode. When you open the camera you will be probably in the photo, so you have to go on the left side, find the slow motion and then hit the button and the record is going to be registered, so we can turn it off. And also when you go to the right upper corner you can change the speed of the slow motion. So before it was on the 120 frames per second, and after typing on the right upper corner and setting up and the HDD, it's on the 240. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.